And good afternoon, everyone. It's Darren from facebook.com, Darren McCosker Realtor, just taking us on a quick walkthrough today of our new listing at 64 Barbaralla Drive in So we'll turn it around because you don't want to be looking to me, you want to look at the property. Lovely two-story setup. So I'm going to walk you through here. I'm going to stop here as we come through our entranceway, stairway up, and then another side door taking around to the garage and the converted teenager's retreat / granny flat, whichever you'd like to call. Let's head upstairs. So, as we arrive at the top of the landing, first thing you notice is lovely sun-filled room. So out to our living goes to the left, our sleeping accommodations to the right. So let's start this way. Comes with 3 bedrooms, all of them good size, new carpet, fully repainted, built-ins in all. As you can see, nice and sun-filled, real airy feeling about this one. There's bedroom 3, looking out to our backyard, throne room. Now, original condition bathroom is functioning, all good, all that sort of thing, just is old. It has that original Springwood style to it with the brown and gold. But we'll move our way to the living area. I hope the video actually shows this. This is a real good sized lounge room that we're standing in here. The oversized aircon does blow out of the entire top floor. And then as we go around to our separated dining room, and over to the renovated kitchen with our stone bench tops, lovely new appliances, built-in exhaust, beautiful outlook over the back. And speaking of the back, as we step out, our newly constructed rear deck. Give you a feel of how large that is. If anything, you can put I'd reckon an 18-seat table out here without a worry in the world. Now, good size, nice quiet rear yard. Trees for privacy, but plenty of room as well. We'll come down the back way. And then just to give you a feeling, it's fully fenced all the way around, all the way from the front fence up there in the distance, and as you can see, wide enough for full drive-through access to the side. Good size yard. Right, let's head our way back in. So coming in downstairs now, we've got our double garage. Just playing with the light settings. Downstairs laundry. And then through converted now, excuse me, I already had people ring and say, is that a 4th bedroom? Well, legal height in Logan City is 2.4. Our laser measure here tells me that we're coming in at around about 2.32. So, no, it's not legal height, but I have a teenager and I am sure he would love to live downstairs away from Dad. And if not the teen, granny, cousin, friend. So room plus separate dining, make of it what you will room. Kitchenette with the same stone bench tops and so forth as upstairs. Good size room for the fridge. And then separated toilet or your own toilet and shower. All right. So that's a very quick walk through our lovely property here at 64 Barbaralla Drive. Our vendors are taking this to market with a view of selling. This isn't some dance around. I've already had a couple of people phoning and saying, what's the price guide? What does it really mean? What we've got listed at offers in the mid-500s and above will be considered. We're not holding out for everything here, so we are looking to sell. There's going to be lots of competition, so please don't hold back on this one. Give us a call, 0420 620 760. The property at 64 Barbaralla Drive. Sorry, just showing you there's also a large front yard here, which I sort of bypassed. Property at 64 Barbaralla Drive in Springwood, 0420 620 760.